How to make hollow iron stair railings. There are several basic material options used to make stair railings, including wood, glass, metal, iron, and concrete. To make a stair railing, you can follow the steps below. 1. Measure the length of the stairs. The railing distance should be measured from the top step to the bottom step, along the diagonal. For wall-mounted installations, add about 5 to 10 centimeters at each end to serve as returns, also called ends, for people to hold on to while using the railing. If you are installing a railing for an indoor staircase, it will be mounted to the wall above the stairs. Wood is the most common material used for indoor handrails. It is very strong and aesthetically pleasing, especially oak stair railings. Wood is also an option for outdoor handrails, but it is susceptible to rot in very dry climates. Untreated wood used indoors should be painted, oil-treated, or stained and sealed with polyurethane. If treating with oil, use tung oil, linseed oil, or a product based on one of these oils. Avoid water-based products, as while they make the wood water and moisture resistant, they will peel and degrade over time. Metal railings used indoors are stylish and strong. Synthetic railings can be shaped and molded to suit your style and can even be made to look like wood. This option is more expensive than other railing options, but it is also more durable. Prepare materials. Once you have measured the required railing size and determined the design, you must now purchase the necessary materials. Adjust the materials purchased to your budget. Don't go over budget. 4. Railing installation. To install the railing, follow these steps. Cut the ends of your railing. If you are not using returns, usually found at the ends of the railing, cut the railing at an angle to create a vertical cut surface. This may be too difficult with a handsaw. The exact length will depend on where the brackets are located. The railing should extend at least 10 cm from the brackets, but no more than about 25 cm. Install the brackets. Use a stud finder to locate the exact edge of the wall stud you will be installing. Drill the first pilot hole for the screw. Drive 3 screws into the wall stud, one of which should be screwed in at a slight angle. Install the brackets at the top and bottom, and set the rail above them to mark the exact location of the remaining brackets. Repeat until all brackets are securely attached. Place the railing on top of the brackets. Hold the railing in position against the wall along the chalk line.